Hi, I'm Stephanie. I am the SoftWave specialist at SWTRT Chiropractic Center, and I've got Wendy here with me today. We've actually done SoftWave on both of her knees. So we've got Wendy. Go ahead, tell us where you were when we started.
Well, I initially came in and I had some pretty severe knee pain. I had torn a meniscus in my left knee over a year ago. And then my husband and I tried to do some hiking in the spring, like in April, and my right knee went. And when I came in, I could hardly walk on it. And it was kind of that same area, the meniscus area.
Mm-hmm.
And I basically could not do any of the activities that I enjoy doing, like biking, walking, running, hiking.
Right.
So it had really limited what I could do.
Yeah, exactly. So knee pain, that is no joke. So we worked on one knee and then we switched over to the other one. And now where are you at today? How are your knees?
Well, it took a few weeks, but after about, I would say 4 weeks, I was able to start resuming many of my normal activities, which actually kind of shocked me because I had had a year of not doing a lot because of a meniscus injury. So I was able to start walking to start with without limping, which was a big deal.
Awesome.
And I haven't ran a lot, but I started to run again and doing some little weightlifting and hiking. And in fact, my husband and I are going on a hiking trip in August.
Super exciting.
For about a month. And I'm thinking my knee, which was really chronic when I came in, is to the point where I can hike comfortably on it.
Nice.
So I'm pretty pleased with the results. Actually.
Yeah, we've had awesome results with Wendy here. And what do you say? Would you recommend this to somebody else considering?
Yeah, I mean, definitely would recommend it. I said I had two goals when I came in here. One was to avoid surgery, which I was desperate. I was close to just going in and having something done. And number two was to find something that would allow my body to heal itself. And I feel like I found that with the SoftWave treatment. Yeah. So I would highly recommend it to anybody with like a chronic injury or a new injury that's frustrating them.
Exactly. It's very effective for both chronic and acute injuries. So I've had really good results with both of those. So there you have it. Thank you, Wendy.